Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Cheryl Henderson, and I'm the owner of Remax Tropical here in Punta Cana, Bávaro. Today, I'm really excited because I have a special person here with me that I would like to introduce to you. His name is Eduardo Diaz, and he works in a company called Tropical Dreams. I like the tropical. I wonder why. Tropical Dreams, and the company is a company that does maintenance, remodeling, repairs, and various types of services that many of our clients are looking for. Nowadays, we have more people who are interested in buying properties that are already existing and are asking us the question, who can we go to do remodeling or some minor repairs for our homes? So I wanted to introduce you to Eduardo here, who can speak a little bit about who he is and his background and the services they provide.
Thank you very much, Cheryl, for having me. So my name is Eduardo, and we've been here in Punta Cana for the last 3 years. We come from Boston, Massachusetts, and being over there, we had a small construction company where we did a lot of renovation, commercial, and residential space. So coming over here, we understand the needs of the people, and we understand what they want to come in over here. So we're here to help.
Mm-hmm. And I'm really excited because Eduardo and his wife Saida originally came to us as clients. They came and they were looking to change their lives, to have a new, let's say, a new lifestyle for them and their small family. I think their baby was 6 months old when they first moved here.
Yes.
Something like that. And his wife was so skinny. I didn't even believe that she had a baby in 6 months. And I spent 5 years telling people I just had a baby. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. So they came and they bought a home and they were interested in knowing what could they do to continue to work and produce here. So they worked with us for a while with Remax Tropical, and then spun off with a property management company that we collaborated on, and we worked together. And now Eduardo is finding his sea legs with the renovations and the maintenance, which he is really an expert at. We're getting a lot of good, positive feedback and reviews from our clients who know him as Eddie.
Yes.
From the States.
Yes.
First time I heard that, I was like, who's Eddie from the States? I know him as Eduardo, but he's Eddie from the States, also Dominican, fluent in both languages, really has a good work ethic and attitude around customer service, which is really nice and refreshing here. So if you have any property repairs, maintenance, or any of those types of needs, you can contact either us at Remax Tropical or contact Tropical Dreams to get a quote and get in contact with Eduardo and their company and their services, and you will be in really, really good hands.
Thank you very much, Cheryl. And some of the stuff also that we've been doing to collaborate, you know how the plumbing works, the electricity, because it's quite a little different. So we'll help you with that before you guys buy, you guys have an understanding of what the property looks like before you guys can do that. And we're always here to help, and just like you mentioned, actually, you were actually the one who introduced us to the business and how we can do this. So thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm always looking for opportunities to have life and business better and smoother here in Punta Cana. I don't know anything about electricity or plumbing, but he does. So he's your guy for that. So thank you so much, Eduardo. I'm really proud of how the business has grown. I'm really proud to recommend and refer you to our clients for any and everything that they need. So, let's continue.
Thank you very much, and thank you.
Okay.